How to get a free Voucher card for free trials. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily access a free virtual credit card for you to get free access for any services. Let's get started. So the very first thing that you want to do is head over to this website right here, freevcc.online. But before we go any further, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new updates. Alright, let's continue. So if you already have an account, that's great. You can just sign into your account. Or if you don't have one, you can just click on sign up. Now it will take you to the login portal where you have two options. I'm just going to click on register because I assume most of you guys are new to this website. So here you just have to enter your full name, your username, you can just create whatever you want, and a valid email address. After that, you're just going to create a password right here and then confirm your password. And if you click on sign up, you should be taken to a home page, something like this. So as you can see right here, I've used my profile to create this card. Here is the name, here is the card number, and all of this good stuff. You can even choose a card system, like if you want MasterCard, Visa, American Express, Discover, or JCB. As you can see, the card number will also be updated once you change the card system. So once you do that, you can click on change card. It will update the number, and you can even reveal your SVC. You can freeze your card if you want. You can unfreeze it or defreeze in this term, or even block your card. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I'll catch you on the next one.